Morning everyone. This project that I'm going to be talking about today is the water facility, livestock pipeline, and apron. The specs on presented is that heated with the interior of the inlet and the outlet that are needed to establish. The one thing I'd like to mention with this section is that there needs to be an outlet overflow valve or port that will be on the other end opposite of the input. And the outlet is going to be a 2-inch diameter with a PVC running out the locking pins on either side of the tank. So a 2-inch hole needs to be drilled